hitting that. You said rev it? These videos is not real. These videos is all fake. It's just your imagination. I do not got no scat. I do not go over 100 miles an hour. This video right here is fake. So let's get to this non-fiction and stop playing.
Notice it. At the point I'm at, you slow me down. You fucking on my focus, bro. I'm really on some motion.
What's going on, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video, man. You already know this your boy Q Malone. We got another POV drive. I'm on my way to get my car done. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? We finna, hey, we gonna try to cut up a little bit, man. We in the rack, you feel me? We finna try to cut up a little bit. Damn, that motherfucker, I'm sitting up, mad at black. But hey, first and foremost, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm fresh off work, so I'm looking bummy, you know what I'm saying? So I'm finna try to get a couple videos, get a couple content, you know what I'm saying, out of y'all. Try to get the family right, you know what I'm saying? I can't go too long without dropping videos, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to keep coming with it, so we can get it together, you know what I mean? But don't even trip, I got it. We can hit that big body, you know, man. Since we out in the city, it's like, you know, motherfuckers be having speeding cameras for no fucking reason, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna try to see what we can do, cut up a little bit in here. Hey, another thing, spam the comments with the blue hearts for the blue scat. Spam the comments, man. Hey, we got some content coming. My boy see me. He got that Challenger. That Challenger orange. I don't even know if y'all can. It's a regular motherfucking Challenger. I don't even care to look for it no more. It ain't even an RT. You feel me? It's bogus. Man, go around, little pup. I can't even skirt like I need to, cause man, my car was in some dirt, man. Not even dirt, like some gravel and shit. So you can't even hear the skirt off, like. I was finna do a highway POV for y'all, but man, I'm talking about the E-way was full. You know what I'm saying? Traffic, like traffic out the ass. Come on, cuz. Still hit this motherfucker farting a little bit in the back though. Let's get a good look at that motherfucking Camaro, decent. Bumblebee on some shit, you know. I should keep straight, but hell no. Definitely should have went, but man, since we in the right, I can't really, man, running red lights out here, you gotta make sure like ain't no cameras on these motherfuckers. You gotta make sure ain't no speeding cameras and shit. Sometimes, like, you know, depends how that shit go, but we for sure finna cut up regardless. Like, I think we in a decent ass area to where like I ain't gotta worry about majority of that shit. I ain't been over this part of town like in a good little minute, so I'm trying to remember shit. Motherfuckers finna go around on some shit. We gonna cut up regardless. Hey, put my phone up. I need to get one of them things. I can just put my phone right there or something on the mirror or something. Hey, this scat loud, but hey, do I want it louder? Like, this thing is hidden. Come on, what happened right here, bro? Hey man, drop in the comments if you want me to turn up, ride this scat through the hood, you feel me? If you want me to ride this scat through the hood, through the trenches, I'll roll through that motherfucking, hit this bitch for y'all one time, I'm telling you. This ain't nothing to me. Yeah, this ain't nothing to me. I'll hit this hoe for sure. I ain't even hit it that hard. He hitting that. You said rev it? Yeah. Just tow it up. Hey, oh my mama, I hope I got bro on the camera. That shit was hilarious. He talking about tear that shit up. Yeah, my tires a little slippery because of what I was in that gravel, bro. I barely got traction in this bitch now. Hey, that's crazy. Just acting a fool in there. That's what I'm talking about. Damn, man, I cleaned my shit the other day too, but that gravel fucked my shit up, bro. I don't know if y'all can see, but buddy ass just recorded me and shit. Hey, this is why I got this, man. I'm telling you, like, I've been wanting this shit for a long time, man. Motherfuckers been, you feel me? We finna cut up a little bit. If I was in front of this Honda Civic, I would have got to the light. Man, shout out to my boy Tony, man. I definitely got to get my YouTube name on the car, you know what I'm saying, so people can see that. And boop boop ad, I might even put my name on there with the barcode type shit, so when motherfuckers If motherfuckers get close to my shit, start looking at my shit, you know what I'm saying, they can boop. Subscribe to my channel right there. I think that's a smart little way to market myself. Cause I'm trying to hit some, you know what I'm saying? But hey, please subscribe, you feel me? Subscribe to the channel, man. We on the road to 1,000 subs. I'm not finna say 500. We skipping 500 and we finna go straight to 1,000. I'm telling you, I just started the channel. We finna go to who that is. Oh, that's a. We going straight to 1,000. Damn, buddy, yeah, that's just tweet. Oh shit. Oh shit. I was tweaking. I don't know why I thought I was tweaking. You know, wherever I go, I'm turning heads in this motherfucker. That blue make them stand out. This motherfucking sound underneath here real quick. Damn, I was over here before. When was I over here? We out west with it, but
what year?
2018.
Right, man.
I appreciate that.
I got the bike at home. I got a Suzuki GSR 1000 that's built.
Oh yeah.
170 the wheel. That bitch is bad, dog.
Yeah, I got a homie. He in love with bikes. He been trying to get me to get one.
Oh yeah. Be safe.
All right, man.
Dog.
I appreciate it. Ooh! I didn't even hit the gas for real. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even hit the gas. Yeah, I was over out west for work, bro. I remember doing this little intersection right here. Motherfuckers was riding this bike, circling me and shit on some hood shit. I think that was SRT. Jeepski. I know for sure I probably got him on the camera. Hey, that's, hey. For sure. Man, if they can give me a little car wash up here, we be straight. My motherfucking traction is gone. But I'm definitely approaching, you know what I'm saying? We gonna end this video right here. I believe this is a decent amount of time. We done had a good time in here. We done had a decent amount of time for real, for real. So, hey. This was a nice quick POV, another quick POV, man. We had a decent time with this one, man. We're gonna catch y'all on the next video, man. Like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? We is going up. You see people fucking with the scat, you know what I'm saying? In real time, y'all just seen it. So, hey, We gonna catch y'all on the next video, man. I'ma holler at y'all.